Welcome to 1295 West Yellowbird Lane, located in highly desirable Del Webb community of Trilogy in Vistancia. This Libertas floor plan is 1867 square feet and features 2-bedroom, 2-bath with an office, den, and a great open floor plan. Situated on a corner lot, this home boasts of over $50,000 in upgrades. Step through the custom iron gate onto the beautiful private paver stone courtyard where you can enjoy your morning coffee. This spacious great room has a large windows, lots of light, a breakfast nook, and opens up into a gourmet kitchen with stunning granite countertops and neutral colors throughout. The guest bathroom is attached to the split-second master bedroom. This bedroom is oversized with a nice-sized closet, lots of windows, and a view of the front courtyard. This master bathroom features a shower tub, raised upgraded vanity with tile backsplash, and a separate exit into the hallway. Neutral colors can be found throughout this floor plan. This floor plan includes an eat-in kitchen, a gourmet kitchen with pendant lighting, high-end staggered maple cabinets with pull-out and soft closing drawers, tile accent backsplash, and under-counter lighting. The airy and light den office is located at the front of the home and can be used as a third bedroom with beautiful views of the front courtyard. The large master bedroom suite has new high-end wood laminate flooring in both the bedroom and the walk-in closet. The master bathroom features a large tile shower, a beautiful large walk-in closet with custom shelving, raised vanities with double sinks, and beautiful tile countertops. The laundry room is located just outside the master bedroom suite. It has extra cabinets and countertop space and is connected to the 2-car garage. This garage is actually 2.5 car. It has a workbench and extra cabinets. It has a solar power unit that has been leased, and the lease is paid in full up to the year of 2033. The home has a new hot water heater and a water softener. The home also includes central vacuum. Step out into this very private oasis backyard onto your large covered patio with ceiling fans. The heated pool and hot tub can be heated up to 90 plus degrees. It has a waterfall feature. It's a stunning PebbleTech pool with 2 seating areas. Enjoy beautiful sunsets from your backyard while barbecuing on your built-in barbecue. The home comes with an additional custom awning, lush landscaping, and is the perfect place to end your day with friends and family in this active adult community. The property is located on a cul-de-sac lot and is walking distance to the Kiva Club. It is also adjacent to a green belt.